Hello everyone, myself Nishant from Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering. Today we are discussing about Django and MVC. Now we'll see about Django and MVC. Django introduction we'll see. Introduction to Django and MVC. Django is a powerful web frame that follows the model view controller, which is MVC architecture, enable development to build robots and scalable web application efficiency. We'll see setting up the Django project. Now install the Python. Django it's built a Python, so you need to have Python installed on your system. Without Python, you cannot execute the Django. Um, for model view and URLs, we use Python only. Next, creating a virtual environment. Use a virtual environment to keep the project dependency isolated because you should use prompt command only. Next, start new Django project. Run the Django admin command to create a new project with necessary files and folders. We should give the correct Django code for creating a project or an app also. Next, we'll see creating models and database. Define models. In Django, we define application data models using Python classes. Next, we'll see manage databases. Django supports various databases, backends, and can easily configure your project to use the one the best suits you need. Next, migrate changes. Django migration system allows us to easily make changes to make models and update your database accordingly. Next, now we'll see designing view and templates. In design view and templates, model view templates in Django MVT model, you can see the user will send to Django and URL, and it will send for view, and it will send for model and templates. It will be reversed. You can see in this diagram. First, we'll see about views. Views are the Python functions that handles the logical form of processing HTTP request and returning response. Templates are HTML files that allows you to separate the presentation logic and application logic. Next, templates tag and filters. Django templates language provides powerful tags and filters to add dynamic functionality to your templates. Next, we see about basics of Django URL rotating routing. Sorry, handling URL and routing. In handling URL, you can see URL pattern and name paired URL reversing. First, we'll see about URL pattern. First, we'll see the definition of URL pattern. Define URL pattern in your Django project. URL conform to map incomplete request to your application view. Mainly Django use URL patterns, url.pys. Next, namespace URL. Use namespace URL to help organize and manage your application URL structures. And next one is URL receiving. It is very useful for Django. Django URL receiving system allows the URL dynamically based on named URL. In URL receiving, it should be named URL only. Then only Django will receive. Now we'll see the implementing forms and user inputs. In the diagram, you can see how the output looks about Django. Uh, we can see the URLs, titles, and works. How it works. You can give the URLs and titles and works also. Implementing form and user inputs are Django forms and form validation, CR, CRRF protection, user authentication. Now we'll see Django form. Django form handling system simplifies the process of creating, validation and processing user inputs. Form validation. Django built-in validation features helps to ensure that a user input meets your application requirement. CSRF protection. Django automatically protects your application from cross-site request for forgery acts. Next, user authentication. Django provides a comprehensive user authentication system to handle our registration or login and permission. This is about Django and model view type. Thank you for watching.